Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today we have unboxing of Apocalyptic beauty bag of and this is the May bag. I always mix it because it's June, so I want to say it's June. So it's a May's bag, and it was the feline fetal was the theme. I like they have every month a theme, and I'm wearing everything I got in this bag on my face, and I'm a cat person myself. I have a black cat, like the logo here, so I really like it. And they gave cat sticker with the black cat on it, and I already put it on my fridge. Anyway, you get 4 items in this month's bag, and I like the animal print. I usually don't, but this time I do. Now, all the info about the box is going to be up on my blog, which I will link down below as usual. And the first thing in this box is this beautiful liquid lipstick. I love the color. It's like a little bit metallic. This is what I'm wearing on my lips. Now, I don't know if it's me or what, but I have a hard time applying their liquid lipsticks. So here is the swatch of one swipe, and I feel like it's not as opaque, so if you go in you can build it up or like on my lip, but I had hard time. I feel like if I go in with another coat I pick up some of the product, so I really struggled applying it, but I like the end result. It looks so nice, like it's such a nice color. The rest of the 3 items in it are eyeshadows, and the first one is, and they are all lip safe. Some of their items are not, but this is the tiger tail, and it's like this kind of orange shade, and I swatch it there to see, guys, how pigmented this is. The shadows, the loose shadows are amazing. Now be careful when you open these, they do not have a shifter, so that's only the downside, but so far I have been really careful. I put a little towel under when I open them, so I don't get it everywhere, so the towel kind of catches it. But I really do enjoy their shadows. Now next is I like that dark, and it's this shade. The previous shade I've applied it on my lower lash line, and this is like here on the mostly on the, yeah, this is on the this side of the lid, and this is how it is. It has so gorgeous glitter in it, and oh my god, this is beautiful shadow. Really, every time I'm so excited if they put eyeshadows, because I love so far what I got. I would like to get mattes also sometime, because I love matte eyeshadow. And the last one in this box is the soft undercoat, and it's this, and I'm wearing it just here a little bit. It's so pretty. It's like, it's a pretty everyday nude. You can just put it all over the lid, put something on a crease, put a liquid liner, or maybe no liner, just do the waterline, and you're ready to go out. It's such a fuss-free and beautiful everyday shade. So this is what I got in this month's Apocalyptic beauty box, and the next month's or this month's theme is a Spider Queen. I'm so happy I'm getting this subscription box, because it's something different. It's not something I can just go and pick up on a store, so I really have been enjoying this box. I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave them down below, and again, info about the box is going to be on my blog, which I will link down below. But yes, that's it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.